Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will guide you through the process of turning off Pro Mode on Facebook. Whether you're switching from a professional account to a personal account or simply want to explore a different experience, we're here to help. Step 1, access your profile. Click your profile picture in the bottom right corner of Facebook. Next, click on your name to go to your profile. Step 2, navigate to Pro Mode settings. Below your cover photo and profile photo, find the 3 dots and click on it. Click Turn Off Pro Mode near the bottom and right above your profile link. Step 3, confirm your choice. Click Continue to continue. Finally, click Off to turn off Pro Mode. Note, if you need to track your Facebook activities and metrics, I don't recommend turning it off, because it will help you a lot in general tracking. And it will be even more useful when you have a business account on Facebook. When you want to turn it back on, we have a video on turning it on and instructions on accessing it on the AnHome Tech channel. Hope you will have a correct choice. Thanks for watching and see you soon.